Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of YNAB and specifically focusing on the concept of tracking accounts. These accounts are an essential feature for anyone serious about managing their overall financial health, beyond just budgeting for daily expenses. So, what exactly are tracking accounts in YNAB? Simply put, tracking accounts are used to monitor your assets and liabilities, those parts of your financial life that don't directly affect your budget, but are crucial for understanding your net worth. Unlike budget accounts that deal with your everyday transactions, tracking accounts help you keep an eye on the bigger picture. There are two main types of tracking accounts: asset accounts and liability accounts. Asset accounts are where you keep track of positive balances. Think of your savings accounts, investment portfolios, or the value of your property. These accounts help you monitor the value of what you own. On the flip side, liability accounts represent money you owe. This could include your mortgage, car loans, credit card debt that's not part of your regular expenses, or student loans. Essentially, they help you track your debts. Now, you might be wondering, why use tracking accounts? The primary reason is for net worth calculation. By keeping tabs on both your assets and liabilities, YNAB can provide you with a clear picture of your net worth, which is a vital metric for long-term financial health. Additionally, tracking accounts aid in long-term financial planning. They help you keep an eye on your progress towards major financial goals like saving for retirement or paying off your mortgage. Plus, they are perfect for non-budget items like the value of your home or retirement funds, which are important to track, but not part of your day-to-day budgeting needs. Let's get into how you can use these tracking accounts in YNAB. First, to add a tracking account, you need to go to Add Account in YNAB. Now choose whether the account is linked to your bank account or unlinked. In most cases, when handling tracking accounts, it will be unlinked. From there, give your tracking account a name under the Give It a Nickname section. Now, select the drop-down box on Account Type. Scroll all the way to the bottom and choose either Asset or Liability under the Tracking section. Once you have selected the account type, enter in your current account balance. In most cases, that will be 0, but if not, just enter in the account balance of your tracking account. Now you will select Next, and bam, just like that, you have entered your tracking account, and you can see it over on the left-hand side under Tracking. Once you've set up your tracking accounts, it's important to periodically update the balances to reflect any changes. This ensures that your financial picture remains accurate and up to date. YNAB also provides a net worth report that aggregates the information from all your tracking accounts. This report is incredibly useful as it gives you a clear view of your financial progress over time. In conclusion, tracking accounts are a powerful tool within YNAB that go beyond budgeting to give you a comprehensive view of your financial health. By effectively using tracking accounts, you can better plan for the future and make informed financial decisions. So start adding those tracking accounts today and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on mastering your finances with YNAB. Until next time, happy budgeting.